Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can fix your iPhone if you forget your passcode, so how you can restore your iPhone. So now I will show you an example of iPhone 7, because on iPhone 7 it's different combination of buttons you need to enter to fix this error. So first let's start. First you need just to click on power button and wait some time until we will see slide to power off. So release your finger and just slide your finger to power off. After you do it, you just need to take your cable and connect your iPhone to your computer and just press minus on volume and just connect your iPhone to your computer and just click on minus on low on volume, and here you will see that your iPhone successfully entered to restore mode, recovery mode. So now we will open to iTunes and we will see that our iPhone is. So here you can see there is a problem with the iPhone that require it to be updated or restored. The problem may be fixed by updating your iPhone, which perverts your settings and contact. So also you can see here that it's two different variants. So first you can restore your iPhone, try to restore it, or second variant you can update it. So after you update or restore your iPhone, your passcode will be will be deleted from your iPhone, and you will enter a new passcode, and you just update your system to and it will skip all these passcodes. So just try to update. If it doesn't help you updating system, just try to restore to recovery to factory mode, and just I hope that this method will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.